na true yarn. The person wey be say pepper the rest with na the whole go dey twirl for. And this person, this music dey torture me because if you follow it that way, na the interpretate na be that, and the music on dey torture me. Dey enter Yabis Tuesday inside who dey house.
If you dey sleep, make you wake up because time don reach. Go do as they do am. Now better gist from every corner.
Yes, sir.
I dey always talk one thing on a Tuesday like this. You know, say things dey body with that, and we go speak time for here because we no dey look face. We go relax your body, but at the same time, you go hear the truth. Koko wey be koko, we go vomit am today. And that day, I no wan talk. I no come here, come dey rub powder for monkey. I wan talk the truth. People for this town dirty.
No, na talent.
Abeokuta people dirty.
Na talent.
85% dirty.
Na gift.
And from Saraki and also today, I enter waka
area.
I discover say some of the gutter dey some places. So
wait, do
you know what I think I just carry your car and say go don waka. I go say rain wey dey fall, wey go fall this year, blessing go heavy because that one wey just fall, that sample heavy. Now we come dey see where say we talk about house, rain dey enter house, people no go get set down. I come discover say some people gutter dey front of their house, they no dey pack am. Sand don block am. Go new side, somebody don build house, don do gutter. You don come for inside, you too do same thing. Go carry sand cover am. Dey use motor enter. When rain come go say na devil work. Check Oga Amosu the gutter wey him do. For some area I don block am. As big as that thing be. So na government be na that one government.
Say now the day wey be say I bow.
Say na government fault be that one too.
For this town, say when I bow, I see one gutter. E deep dey comot water like well.
Wetin go happen to am?
When dem begin dey pour dirty, dem level am.
People e common o. If you check, go round town for some area.
No wonder some area dem go pray, dem go say God no dey answer prayer.
Dem come dey say ojo epo. Which ojo?
Cleanliness no be dey near God.
The thing
come on fast pray, say prayer God no collect.
Come on. Fine, we as ESCO member we go talk ourselves. I dey talk to my people every time. We dey come in a life contract. As I see am
for ESCO.
I go do one prayer. They say make I no try am, make I no comot leg, go say if I comot leg things go spoil. So na me be only hope. So make I wait. Hope 2019.
2019 ke?
Hope 2019.
Hope 2019.
Governor of Ogun State.
You know the hope wey
that one I hope 93. Too far.
Oh, that one far.
You know say that one do what I mean. Our own side like this.
Okay, like Anthony Joshua.
Na this we go dey do for poster.
Anthony Joshua, he wan collide with
the with the fist. That time he do that dey wear suit. You know they wear suit for this kind of jeans with t-shirt and face cap. And
say now I remember that time when people wan package dirty for road, shame dey chook them. Dem go look left, look right before dem pour dirty. But for today, na with the swag, dem dey take dey carry dirty. Opeke na him sabi do am pass. We don men na no vex na wetin I see. You see some of them they will carry fine jeep come. Wetin dey talk? Wetin be wetin? No, na reality. Na reality. I no dey beg them because when you see somebody, they go carry fine motor come. You go think say no be that kind thing they wan do. Dem come go open boot. They no go. The motor still dey on o. Person go dey front. They go carry that dirty with swag. They no put am.
That one pay me o. Wetin dey pay me na wow. See. Wetin we gonna do when environmental dey? Wetin we dey do?
Una dey do environmental.
Wetin we dey always do?
People dey sit down gist.
When me dey grow for Lagos that time, both say we area na get to as e be. They no gutter even environmental no environmental. Before you full, so somebody don dey pack am already. You don pack am for one side. You don dry, somebody don pack am through way. How you go allow gutter full come dey cause spread? Still no even block for some areas. And the government go come do that one for us.
And some people I don't know whether na swear.
If you be.
As we dey pour the dirty, children wey dem dey holiday, dem go come dey do something on top of the dirty. As I mean some area for town, dem dey turn fufu, dem dey turn garri, dem dey sell food near the normal. Some people just dey carry nose up and down. I no know whether that nose still dey work. I no know. Health officials make na do something by force. She dey do wetin? They try
and they consider they boil no water this matter.
Na egg.
Wetin I see this morning I no like am. Imagine that big gutter wey oga governor do for some areas e don block.
No place wey small.
Like you know how much you spend on we know how much you spend now. Some of us drink garri on top am.
Who be we?
To make una life better. Na still dey spoil things for us.
That bridge wey one oga say who do this gather, you remember that oga?
I no wan wahala. I no wan, you know say oga wear uniform that time.
Oga wey talk oga Shosa. Oga go don retire now.
Since when?
Oga go don talk grandpa. Oga wey talk say who do this gather? Oga this gather na the thing dem dey pour there na dem dey spoil am.
You like to dey bring laugh come serious matter.
Anytime wey I waka pass there I go look the bridge I say who do this gather they don this my mouth make no put me for wahala.
Make we try change no matter what, make we change. You no suppose be see wetin you use your hand drag na you go suffer am. If rain start na you dey live for that area. Oga dey where him dey live na rain no dey disturb am for there.
And the people wey dem dey pour dirty make we educate una small.
Some for road inside pothole go put am. Inside pothole I never
You know say that sack you pour dirty inside you need am. Why you pour dirty? You go come reach where to drop the sack.
Just tie am. You come go pour am.
Dem go come pour am. You know the pity person wey dey pack that dirty. Those ones go pack am manage they don't even buy broom now with the packer. As dem dey pack am dey go. Before some few minutes like this they don begin dey pour again. Normal dem go say dem go come pack am. Anyway na Yabis Tuesday 08098667344 09091469670. Waka go express now. Some people dey carry dirty for here with motor. They go pour am for road, for express road.
That one na interstate.
Interstate dirty throwaway. Okay now. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Abi.
How na dey? Okay now.
Wetin be your name?
Baby Jesus.
Wetin you call am?
Baby Jesus.
Wetin be your real name abeg?
Your real name? Your
better leave
Isaac. Okay now, we dey feel you. Oya now.
This matter wey una dey yarn so na confirm we have to today this morning for my present. Somebody dey inside one bus. As e dey come down inside the bus, e dey carry dirty dey throw away for ground for road for garage Ayetoro road.
Hi.
E dey throw away and then 9 people come dey talk say why they no challenge am. Make dem let am know say na rubbish wetin e dey do.
Anyway, bros. Then they hear. Then they hear. The one way they hear, we don't talk. Then they come back, then they replace.
Hello.
Hello, Baba mi. Daddy, how you dey? I dey see you.
Brado.
Daddy, I dey hail o.
Good afternoon, sir. All the master we dey for you.
I am Sheikh Ibrahim Zubairu from Imala town.
Welcome, sir, from Imala town.
Thank you very much. I don't forget my topic.
You get topic.
Okay. This is
Time to go. Amen.
Hello. And for another level, I tell you, say now.
I dey with you.
Hey. Anyway, hello, sir. Afternoon, sir. Okay, now we dey hear you. We dey feel you, bros.
This matter we talk this afternoon, na serious matter. Now they talk about what about all those small rivers? All those small rivers, even going is there. The estimate they don't.
That one na depot. No, I don't want to talk Ijaye na depot.
Oh, I pity you. Depot be for your mouth. Depot.
Ija na depo. Ah, all the chop remain of concussion wey dem dey put for. Hello.
Hello. Good
Afternoon. Your name?
My name is Demola.
Oga Demo, we dey hear you.
If that concussion, all near that sacrifice. If bring fall again now, what is that? You go back to that.
Oh boy, bros, your line break.
Oga Demo, shift is small abeg.
Your line dey break.
Abeg, that line dey break. Enter through the other door. Dey break. Okay now, okay, we dey hear.
Bank road. They carry the gutter, the thing from the gutter, bring them outside and go. Are they not supposed to carry it by themselves and pack them?
Then they wait for who go come pack am.
Then I come to there for.
Attire, seriously.
All this is one for video of Europe and down. Then I come to the put am. I come to put am. And about the come go for pack am.
Oga Demo, since this dirty matter dey chook, abeg you fit do one thing for me. Hello. Anyway, Oga Demo don waka. If he enter again, I go tell am. Na we 08098687344. Good day house for Rock City. Yappies Tuesday. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Mr. James, please first call the health people, make them come to Keshokoli. From that FFM police station, small like this. See, the girls are waiting for that side 2 days, man.
Wetin be your name, ma?
Your name?
My name is Bola, calling from Keshokoli.
Okay, sister, you need the place, abi?
Yes.
You fit go the airport to record the something, come send am.
In fact, now two places after
the odor.
For the roundabout, for Totoro, before Totoro roundabout, yeah, Bukana.
Sister Bolanle, wetin people wey dey the area dey do?
Who know for them?
Wetin the businesses wey dey that side dey do?
Wetin community leaders too dey do there?
Don't even know for them because
That's a bad penalty, no true.
If you want to go, if you dey pass occasion, that's where you go pass. If you know say you don't want cholera, say cholera as that person.
Hey.
Because wetin me I sabi, wetin these people wey dey waka every Thursday dey do?
Na we tax collectors.
No, why?
Which environment?
Which shop una dey lock?
Wetin dem suppose do, dem no dey open eye see am. Na people wey open shop that time.
Dem open am small.
Small don collect 2,000, 5,000, depend for the level. Everybody dey look.
Hello.
Afternoon, sir.
My name is Kule Bakari.
Okay, now chairman, community leader.
Our people, they now know that government cannot do it alone. All those places now where people they put refuge, even when rain before, go see people with small waste in that gutter. Now, I'm asking people are now saying the right thing now. Government cannot do it alone. I beg. Don't say that's what I mentioned now. I don't record them. Of course, tomorrow when I reach Abeokuta, I must go to that area and see.
No go there alone, no. Just make sure say na pack am. Say your oga.
Don't worry.
Make na pack am. I trust you. Any dirty, I trust you. Make na pack am.
Why? Thank you, bros.
Yes.
Because me I dey wanna say, if me dey live, imagine front of my house. So who will go? Okay, I go.
Make I no fit come and enjoy breeze.
Make bush go. Some things dey just funny. You know, e just dey funny. Who I wan leave am for? Government go help me clear. Na him put flower there.
You know say this occasion, one guy come meet me for Pacheke side there.
Hello.
He carry speed. Come.
Moyo from where?
From which area?
I'm calling from Akin.
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 Okay, we dey hear you, Moyo.
Okay.
This road na dey talk. No be only our government, na all of us na we gather.
We no dey talk about government now.
We don't talk government.
Now
we
dey
dey face today.
We be government matter be this one.
And you know, say for this our community, people wey no dey educated, dem many. And now they tell them say clean your environment, they no go hear word. And if we never use force, do am. When we get education, we do am. And we never use force. Tell the people wey no get more education, say make dem clean their environment. Things no go work. You know, say common sense wey dem dey talk now, e no common. If you enter Lagos, your common sense go just tell you say na Lagos today. You go just maintain, respect yourself. But for this,
Sister,
never reach.
Thank you.
You make sense.
Thank you.
Even some areas, gutter no deep.
Hello?
Hello. Afternoon, sir. Afternoon. Good day.
Yeah, I'm okay for my issue.
Okay. now.
Okay. We hear you.
I want time to defend you, sir. So our transformer don't need to work yesterday for that for a long time.
MOK.
That is number one.
MOK.
Number two is this. For me to come to someone every year. I don't know why our maintenance culture is very poor.
Maintenance culture. Okay.
Maintenance culture is very poor.
Very, very cool.
We just allow it to get running. I wonder why.
Culture.
Our president say he no concern, waiting concern am for now. Not in 2019.
MOK, sir. MOK. Leave Oga patapata alone. Make we talk. Make we know. We level for area.
We dey talk about we own environment. Go.
I don't need that one.
Don't leave Oga make rest for long way dey so.
Okay now. Say now the day wey fear bad me, they put do not dump refuse here. Na where they write the signpost.
They use dirty.
Na they take dirty sandpaper. Do not na first year.
Yeah.
And the dirty, as the dirty say dirty pass am, e be grace. Yeah, na remain for that side. Make a mention.
No mention.
Make a mention.
No mention. This thing, e just be like say, well, hello.
Hello, sir.
Bros, abeg I last small. Okay, this is your bedroom voice for afternoon. You go like funny games, so speak up small now.
Commonwealth game is run over.
You dey hear you.
Okay now. Oga, when you package, no vex, make you enter for the other side. Hello. Afternoon, Japan. Sir?
My name is Samadek. I'm calling from House Nukata.
Okay, I'll see Nukata. Okay now, how that side be?
So if you look at our environment, can you imagine the quality food, education road that government was the excellent food. In one stage, after I passed down to Mango, you see how the trailer for the road, honestly now. When you put on that like that, I'll get some Can you imagine? This is not part of government. We are civilians.
Hey. Anyway, Oga, we don't hear you. For those who say they just enter na Rock City, na we dey.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Afternoon, sir. Afternoon, sir. Okay now. Sharply, sir. Okay. Not the transformer matter we dey talk now. Now on top of how area take dirty now we dey talk. Hello. 08098687344.
09091469070. In case you don't enter through the doors, them type properly space. Type your message with your name, send a mental 32120 or for Twitter at Rock City FM. Yeah, this Tuesday. Why we say dirty? Don't they be like our second name?
It describes some area. All the bridge.
Only you go leave your grass go.
Hello. Don't remind me of ministry.
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
This is calling from Kajala.
Okay now. The dreamer, sir.
Yeah, the story of the Gaga way you mentioned, I make me remember one thing.
Okay, sir.
And they interviewed one governor that time. They say, how many resources you have in this state? He say, we have Fanta, we have...
Don't be states now.
Hello, sir.
Even we don't think na politics. You know, Bakenzu, I read the story. You don't think.
I don't want to carry us.
You know, matter na normal thing waiting.
I don't want me
Maybe this country will dey.
They interviewed one meeting.
Okay, sir.
Leave
We don't hear you, sir.
musician,
Leave am make you dey sing his song. Na him music.
Make I don't talk am.
Leave am
no
make you dey
talk
sing
am.
his song. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Before they go out to say,
Before people
who is
see
the president of
na
Nigeria?
to pour dirty.
Before they see any small gutter.
If you dey reach Arakoga, you dey waka dey go. One river, one bridge dey there. Na joint for throway dirty.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Afternoon, sir.
Why they do me like this? Hello?
Hello, chairman, we dey hear you.
So, I want thank our guy.
Your name first.
Your name?
Bros, abeg make I talk. Bros, leave your tank. Go thank Oga, call him number, shey you hear. Call am for phone, thank am personally, thank am. Don't thank am for here. You don hear since. Thank you very much. Call am or send am text. Or carry drum go as usual. Bye bye. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Oh, my God.
Well done, ma.
Well done. I'm Market.
Market dey say.
Tell government, we will get drum to provide circle to come and pack the dirty. We get drum now, but you no see the place where we go put it. So now only thing.
That one another case. Thank you, ma. That one another thing. Okay, now get that one dey never come pack am. We understand, but we don't want to really hammer now. We go just look
Drum festival, you wait till they talk.
It's not true.
He say drum. You just say, no be
Make
say.
I keep quiet. So next, hello, hi, Daphne. I pity you. See blood like the fly.
Zero.
And I dream slap. I don't say they slap somebody from my side, but don't be me. As I want wake up,
Now you can see yourself.
so now you, don't be me. No be, so now you.
0809. When person say get drum. 0809 687344.
0909146970.
And for some side not be dirty, for some area na gutter no dey deep. For some area na the road.
Some people dey use sand block gutter. So when rain come, go drag sand come. They go fit pack the sand.
Come take bishop.
Which kind thinking be that one?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Edafe.
Chairman, who dey ask for Rock City, sir? Agbo, sir. You no too far share at the hello.
I dey your time. Now your guy dey online.
Okay now.
Your guy no get him.
Okay now. Bros, on top of area, as e take dirty reach, na we dey vomit.
I know. You know wetin I wan talk?
Mm-hmm.
You see, as they talk and say na wetin fit talk for this country na military.
You dey hear now.
Na military.
Oshari.
Why people no dey hear?
Oshari. Area. Hello. Oshari, abeg no carry mouth comot for inside the matter wey dey ground. Forget military, forget air force.
Slap the ears.
Na road side you dey, abi? Na road side you dey?
Ask am where you dey.
Where you dey? Where you
Where
dey?
you dey?
I dey start now wey dey help.
Hey, Baba.
Okay, dey jolly dey go.
You dey make order.
No wonder say military.
And he dey make order. Why you laugh?
Hello. Ìyá wa ẹ wòran ṣẹ́ẹ̀rí ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ tèmi o. Hello ẹ jẹ́ n sọ tèmi o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá jẹ́ n sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ní sọ̀rọ̀ o. Ẹ jẹ́ n sọ tèmi o. Throwback Tuesday lè ní kẹ́ àbí Tuesday. Ẹ wá máa lọ bá. I don't think go enter again. Na you make me turn drum. Hello. Hello, ma.
How are you doing, Saneda? It's Mommy Victor from my home.
Okay, mommy, I dey hello. Ati buku na mi sister na dey make things pure. You know say na comedy show and we like am. Okay na.
Government and environmental people that they never do their work. What is they supposed to do? They say any gutter will pass your front of your house or your shop. That you will maintain it. If you don't maintain it, they arrest the person. If they do like that, if you see person will walk on to where they see for the gutter with the front of your house, you go hold the person. So that is what government and environmental people supposed to do that.
Okay now.
But seriously, every Thursday, wetin those guys dey do?
I no know na money.
They
no dey sell. They don wait make you try open shop collect. 2,000, 5,000.
They go house to house up and down.
Na money. Dem be tax collectors.
So then wetin dey?
They don see any small thing like this, dem collect.
They begin dey write.
Instant time you pay. Sometimes no receipt.
No receipt.
Receipt ke. Forget.
That one no dey account.
Which account? You get account. Not be environment habit. Forget account. Make we enter this room.
They go meet court o.
For which
say husband wan use am for money ritual.
You no fit be.
You know who fit sabi oga rich madam.
Love one thing. I no believe.
One senator don dey para.
For wetin?
Say make federal government sack all the service chiefs dem, all the head of security, all of them. Say make dem line them up, sack them out.
Wetin dem do?
Red card
on
top the security palava. Say their way no pure.
Say they no
ginger, they no get heart. Some of them get donut heart.
Make I put man for security matter.
As it na wetin the talk and talk o. Na wetin the oga talk and talk say they no get heart. Their heart like donut.
Na your mouth dem dey hear am.
No be my name, they go hear the name very soon. They don't get heart. Custom color P48 small good motor.
Yeah.
For Sokoto. They don't almost enter. Hey, park. Particulars.
Now when they breathe, you never carry it.
The question is how they take the pass.
I don't know.
How they take the pass the Koko the border.
I don't know.
Wherever they border now, don't. On that spot tori, the Okpeke wey gbab the only gold for athletics for Naija for Commonwealth Games.
Yes o.
Talk say wetin dey her mind go na Commonwealth record she waka go meet.
Yes o.
And remain small few seconds for follow.
The girl try.
But the girl na American.
She try but na Naija people.
I know why be say everywhere wey dey go American.
Na dey.
So we no get anybody wey fit groom for here wey fit go win anything.
We fit groom. Standard nko we no groom standard.
Anthony no even get ball.
Anthony nko.
Anthony now groom Anthony Joshua.
Na standard.
God go judge all of you.
Standard.
Anthony na like super done.
Standard stadium.
Obe to party you don let man work hard.
Standard stadium.
Standard go. Standard Lily.
Ibadure.
Lipo. Holy Ghost fire. Make una find something sit down top something. As I carry give una the main story, as e dey hot, as e dey fresh. One man don go gbege im wife claim say anytime wey dem play rugby together blood dey comot for her own body, say her husband wan use am for ritual. Mother of two pikin Aina don first go claim for her divorce letter say her husband Adebayo Adeniji he bring 2 calabash come house wey dey take wash hand for midnight. He go get up dey do incantation for every corner. Say that time, say anytime wey him and oga if dem join body together, man na so wetin blood go dey comot for her body o. The madam enter court today for Makoko, somebody come for Ibadan come dey ask say make dem kpafuka their 32-year-old marriage. Say the husband too dey drink like say na bill rich e be. Say anytime wey the bros come out na so wahala. Say he don tire. Say 22 years of horror, 22 years of sadness and tears na im she don use her see. Say all along you no sabi say oga dey plan to use am do rituals. Finally say as e dey so she don tire. Time don reach make she waka go take care of her pikin for your own level. The husband talk say all this allegate na lie. He come gree say make dem kuku pafuka the marriage because himself don tire. Say for 10 different times na dem don fight, dem don settle. Say he don tire make madam dey go. Say madam sef e get wahala. Say he know say he dey drink beer well well o. Say but as e be now say the calabash na from some level wey take bring her come out, no be to come harm the madam for him own side. The president because Chief Ademola Oduade come ask the two of them to knack am better evidence to take make sure say he go pafuka like 2-year-old marriage because the two children sef they go sabi the next date wey be May 15 wey go shook hand for the level. Senator wey dey represent Lagos West, Senator Solomon Olamileko Adeola, e don tell federal government to sack all service chiefs dem and head of security for the country. Take of say this kind thing oga President Buhari dem need better fresh blood to dey stop this security palava and all this kili wey dey happen for this Nigeria. He talk say to every level the process if you check am all this kind thing no suppose do for the Nigeria. E dey yarn on top order 42 wey Senator Suleiman Asoya Adokwe wey dey represent Nasarawa South constituency knack. He talk say the bros carry at ten tion of Senate go southern district of Nasarawa state wey people wey carry gun enter the area come occupy 4 out of LGA local government for the area. He talk say dem see dead body yapayaski for that side when dem do their work finish. Adokwe come talk say this kind thing no suppose dey happen for Naija nation. Na him come make Oga Adeola stand up say as e dey go if Oga Buhari no do anything on top this level, these people bless dem dey use Naija people dey play rough play. Say if you no do anything as 2019 dey near door, bad blessing go see happen. Say the best thing for Presido na to sack all of them, bring fresh blood come wey go do better on top security. Naija Custom Service NCS don seize 48 motor with duty paid value wey reach around 196.7 million naira for Sokoto. Nasir Ahmed wey be area controller in charge of Sokoto Kebbi Zamfara area command yarn the matter today when they yarn with news people say this kind thing e happen for first quarter of 2018. The man yarn say on top the level wey dem collect say Sokoto na area wey people dey use start dey carry motor enter. Say e don tey say dem gbab some of them for Ruganwaru area of Sokoto state. He say dem collect aproko for some officers dem on top Custom and Excise Management Act wey be say dem see all these things. He say if you check am well well, where government don knack level for everybody for this country make dem stop some smuggling waka. Say but people no dey hear word. He say as e be custom no go stop until dem flush all this bad belle comot for Naija system. Sport tori. Gold Coast 2018 Commonwealth Game gold medalist Tobi Amusan yarn say her target for that race na to break the game's record for Australia. Amusan knack 12.68 seconds to take beat Jamaican pikin dem Daniel Williams and Yanni Thompson to win the 100-meter hurdles for the first Nigerian wey go mark gold for that event inside Commonwealth Games. Ahmed be the only gold wey Nigeria league for athletics. The Commonwealth record na 12.65 seconds wey Jamaican pikin Bridget Foster Eaton wey she knack for Melbourne 2006 game. She come here and say even though she win she happy but her mind go na to knack the record. My name na Sinayo Nasiru ogbonge storyteller OTT. Make na join me tomorrow wey be midweek edition on top tori wey dey alright, wey balance well, wey get big chest, wey come fresh like vegetable on top with ogbonge station number 1 Rock City FM 101.9.
Owó ṣe kókó.
This guy too dey beg for his song.
E better na you calling
To dey beg.
to beg.
Baba God o. Ebi na he go dey beg.
One artist that time na cry na he take.
Sade he go beg. He too beg for song.
Na you calling.
Why you like to dey beg up and down?
No, I you calling.
To dey beg.
Oh.
Then gbé ẹ lọlé mọ́mí mi retí ọmọ. He go dey kneel down for song. He dey embarrass.
And he go dey beg dey kneel down for
Dey
dey embarrass bobo dem. 08. Na true yarn. 080.
He dey knack better music.
98
You did that better.
687344.
09091469670 or make you type rock leave space. Type your message with your name, send a message 3 to 1201 for Twitter at Rock City FM.
Wetin we dey open eye dey see because na ya Beast Tuesday, and for people wey dey just dey enter na comedy show, nothing dey personal. Anything wey we see,
Don't take it personal.
na we dey talk. So e get as we throw am hold am like that because na comedy show. Who dey there? Hello.
So me no take am personal.
Yes, so hello.
And your own mouth too, way sharp like razor.
Your name.
Your name.
Your name. Your name. No
Talk am
verse.
again.
No verse.
So your name na Mommy Samuel. For your CV na Mommy Samuel dey there. Mommy Samuel, Daddy David, talk to Mommy Samuel.
Na quarrel na he start again.
Don't mind now, carry quarrel enter. We will say we always guide you.
The bulletproof wey dey my chest.
You know they comot. Mommy Samuel. Mommy Samuel come Samuel Peter.
Whether na quarrel she go settle before she.
Or maybe somebody dey wa. You can take by you take by last time sanwó wetin. So we no like.
Hello.
Abimbola Onanuga.
Okay now.
How you dey now?
You see your boy. This guy go don old o.
But before all those environmental organizations, they already reform at times. On time they will reform again. That's why all those people dey throw am like say
Tomorrow no dey.
Anyway, bros, we don't hear you. We don't vomit your mind. And one area there for Okelewo, for that place where they do construction, we no far in front of zone 2. For that dam, go reach up. Go backyard for where Madam dey. Madam now, Madam.
Okay, which of the Madam play?
Madam for deputy governor. Madam. Say now, you be foreigner. Madam for deputy. Those gutters, he too full.
Madam dey pass there.
Madam dey pass there. Madam fit no see am. Madam dey one and the jeep get cutting. Fit dey watch home theatre inside. Or dey watch preliminary for house.
Which preliminary forget that thing.
Hello,
who that is that place?
afternoon, sir.
how you doing?
We dey doing fine. Okay, Moses from Lagos.
Okay.
Baba.
How you doing? Too much. You see about this matter, na serious. I dey tell you.
Na Lagos you dey now.
You dey hear me?
Good day, Daddy.
Some of the states now, as the way dem dey sell food now, for there sef is very dirty. That's the way they sell food sef. The kind of na serious thing. All those things no good, no suppose be like that. The environment is things very well, so that people go know say this place na the place where we say go eat there, you go enjoy yourself.
Okay now.
You understand?
Okay,
So
well.
that thing make dem change so na the thing wey I want to be that.
Moses. Amen, you too. Why you dey laugh?
No, I see the church say from Lagos. Time for package small space vomit your mind on top the level. You have been still say. Send I enter 3 to 120 and before you type Twitter at Rock City FM. Hello. Hello, sir. We dey fine, sir. Brother Clear Throat.
Brother Clear Throat, I leave this too much greeting. Wetin be your name? Your name, sir?
Oga, your name?
When government dey build road, when they know they carry that big park wey they park dey see for near road, their own na to build road and build a
So our own na to dey pour dirty for gutter.
particularly in Abeokuta. why government say no carry the big part? Okay, before they put
give me my pancreas.
Oga, which side you dey, sir? No vex. Which area you dey?
Where you dey now?
Where you dey? Gone. We dey hear you. Where you dey? Your area.
I dey at the back of Ilewero.
Okay.
So as government never put pan or drum, so e dey okay make we dey pour dirty for gutter.
All those pan wey they carry for house.
Oga from Ilewero, sir.
You say back.
Oga from back of Ilewero.
Get power. You understand? Everybody get money to buy that.
Oga, but na Oga from Ilewero. Hello, sir. So as government never give us drum or pan, so make we dey pour dirty for gutter na better thing now. Thank you very much. You don't answer my question.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
We dey feel, you know, say Oga na outskirt. You know,
in the back of it. But no, more will make this thing clear. Fine, government do road. See, something they always speak me for body. I did main road to drop your water. They do because the road don't clean. I go just drop am for ground. May we leave all this play. Not be everything government will go do. Now I'm say as government don't allocate house, give you don't rent house. Government will come. Get it by you come sweep your house for you. I beg only this.
And some people they fall my hand.
Bad habit na bad habit.
They go dey inside taxi abi bus.
Shop of you.
Go
show people inside. Shame you for 2018 you go for road.
Hello.
For road. I think you be for one guy and I shock 2 days ago. Hello. Things are stop sleep. Hello, Charlie. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
You get name?
Your name, sir?
Okay, you say no worry about what we talk for here. Since you don't want us to leave, we say no dey worry.
Hello. Hey, we know the take style they reach the bus stop. You fit see one message enter type of parking small space. Yeah, be students. What will they share? I they say on top of the level.
Government no go do everything for us. Government no come clear the flower around my compound. Hello.
Afternoon, sir.
I will hear you, Jerry, Mr. Sadiq.
About that, that is all I need to people snap or anything, especially break on top you see that thing.
Okay, then they break bottle for road. Okay, bros, we don't hear you. Say no suppose be, and that's no pure. You know pure. Maybe then they go break bottle for road. Because motor go still waka pass. You know suppose be. We dey talk
this real good for community. Like say, I tell all my guys, if your area go till they sit down for road, we use on power they pursue and no carry you dey. So we use on the power they pursue go.
So you dey tell me now say Abule Oloni na local area.
Say go to the disturb them.
Go to plenty pass people. You sit down here. Go there. When you knock, who the house? Now God go dey answer you. We dey see things.
So your area go to the hello.
Bro say hello.
Now play with the player, but the same time tell us
play.
Follow the route.
Tell us your name. Chairman, we dey hear you. Oya now, you make sense. Okay, better. Yeah, you don't talk. You better.
Security they come.
They come pack all of now. They pour for road.
Make I link some message sharply for short code before because time don dey waka small small. Engineer Joseph talk say I no sabi if Ministry of Environment dey here at all. Make government understand say no economy fit go forward for dirty environment o. Lara from Abeokuta, some community dey wey be say dem go write cost plenty for plank put am for there. Na on top that cost dem go still
pour dirty.
Nobody dey fear anything. Those days wey we dey grow, if you go village, they go put red this thing for farm. Na lie. Now people dey go your thing. Na the cloth they use to clean the fruit. They shop.
some area dey town because of we time we dey combine the name dey write am down.
Some area na dirty avenue.
Na no in fact na normal thing.
If rain no fall the gutter go dey.
Na normal thing.
Na offense say we do gutter for una.
For who?
For una.
Gutter wey dem don block. Dem don block. Abeg open that door make we comot for here. Hello. Afternoon, madam. Okay, start up. Oya now.
I wish our people dey here. Na everything the government. Now all of us the government too. Yeah, when the.
Hello.
I feel people don't come. No the voice. No the voice.
Especially in Uganda. Oh.
On that side.
No talk any Ogupo. All this one wey we dey talk na truth but na comedy o. Na truth but na comedy o. Abeg if we match na make na forgive and forget. Forgive us.
I laugh.
Make we
forget Abiesco.
You know see Ayetoroka na comedy o. Some people go spray body. The odor with the dirty for the community, no dey make am work.
See, on top of the heavy spray. E get one guy, he wan do name me said, he go don call people. People just say people dey sit down. 5 minutes they go say, "Wo, they give am kids." I think better. I worry. Now hold on. No fit cope for the environment. Say, how do you cope with your family?
I go dey greet. Come. They carry speed for mouth.
You know, if you enter some area, if rain fall, you go see driver move. Because tire fit burst. The whole door fit burst tire.
And when person clean, they take time they do it on top of the level.
Even disease dey run.
Yes, so.
They run from una.
Fresh air, fresh breeze, fresh air.
Imagine mosquito wake up from that gutter wey don dirty come enter house mistakenly go crayfish.
No wonder some days mosquito no dey comot.
No matter if dem fumigate na lie. Na relationship.
For that
for where?
I don't want to for I wan reach out.
And I go come on jare. See, boy dey to everybody follow somebody. See, when we come there anytime any day. When we yarn matter, we no dey stay for one side dey leave one side.
Dey waka up and down.
Na wetin we see we dey yarn. And e no suppose be make we dey clean. No be government go come every area. Oh rush, you do well. Brown. Okay, co-pilot.
Okay, cool.
AKA co-pilot. You do well. Nancy Brown. Okay. My guy waiting for here too. I dey feel you. Say this guy come talking.
Why this guy look like
you? Ikechorobo. Say na nothing that my name. We go jam again tomorrow. Nothing dey happen. Waiting.
Until another day. I say it so there in a bag.